This is my volume cutter, limited edition. The profile stem, the 40 stem, thrasher fork, some whatever hubs for now, but B43 wheels, profile crank, spline drive, speed play pedals, some straps made out of SD, made out of some seatbelt material, profile cog and lock ring, whatever chain. Seat off my homie's limited edition Brev Mossy Collabo bike, Thompson seat post, and then my little Trek wireless fucking little clock thing. Bars, whatever, crashed it and bent them, but they work for now. So that's my cutter. Bike check.